Hi, here's a few useful tips to help you get started using the EatBy app. The EatBy list is free, but also has an additional intuitive shopping list feature that becomes available after an upgrade. If you've already upgraded, I'll cover the additional time-saving features a little later. For now, we'll start with the basics. This is your main screen and it's called the EatBy list. This is a list of all the items in your kitchen and their eat-by date. The items at the top are the ones that you need to eat soonest. The dates are based on either the use-by dates or the best before dates, so please remember to always check the packaging. When an item reaches the top of the list, you'll be sent a reminder notification. By the way, notifications can be turned on and off in your device settings. Adding your food to the EatBy list is easy. It may take a little extra time at first, but you'll soon see that it gets faster as the system learns your frequently used items, especially when you upgrade. So here's how you add an item. Tap the plus button or the Add New Item button and you're taken to the input screen. This is where you can add items to your EatBy list. By the way, this is the back button. It will always take you back to the last screen. Also, for your convenience, tapping the EatBy fruit head will always return you directly to your EatBy list. Okay, so let's add an item to the EatBy list. There are a number of ways you can add your food to the list. You can type it into the text box at the top, and you can even use Siri or Swipe if they're available on your device. Now you can add a reminder photo if you want. Press the little photo icon and you'll be asked if you want to add a photo from your camera or gallery. Now see these quick tags? These are to help you locate the item in your kitchen. Tag your food by tapping the icon and a line will appear below. That tag will now appear next to your food on your EatBy list. Now we have to add the use by or best before date. We can either tap the Date Plus button to add one day at a time, like this, or we can tap the counter to reveal the date picker. Select the date and select. All I need to do now is press the Save button and the item is sent to my EatBy list. Now this is the clever bit. Whenever somebody adds something to their EatBy list, it's also added anonymously to our central list. If the food you're adding is already on our central list, then you'll see it suggested on this part of the screen. Simply tap it and it will fill the details in for you. Typing is okay, but there is a better way to add your items. Do you see the Scan Barcode button? This is particularly useful if your food item has a barcode. Scan it, and if it exists on our central list, then it will recognise it. If it still asks you to fill in the details, they will be stored on the central list for everybody else to use in the future. When you've eaten something on the list, you can remove it by swiping it on the right. On an Android device, this is done by tapping and holding it to delete. So now you know how to add and remove food items on your EatBy list. Please see the video about editing items and what to do when you open a food item like a jar that needs eating within a number of days or weeks. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and happy money saving.